Okay, good morning, children. How are you? Are you happy? Have you had your breakfast today? Yes. Did you understand on previous classes? Okay, what are the points we discussed on previous classes? Continent and oceans. Okay, what do you mean by continents? The large piece of land on the earth's surface is called continent, and the large water bodies on it between the continents is called oceans. How many continents are in our earth? 7 continents. Which are the 7 continents? Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica. Which one is largest continent in the earth? Asia. Which one is the smallest continent in the earth? Australia. Okay, then which are the oceans? 5 oceans also we discussed now. Arctic oceans, Atlantic oceans, Indian oceans, Pacific oceans, and southern oceans. Okay, which one is largest oceans in the earth? Yeah, Pacific oceans is the largest oceans, and Arctic is Arctic oceans is the smallest one. Okay, what do you mean by sea? Sea is a water body. Is smaller than the oceans. There are many seas on our earth. Okay, I thought all of them understood this. And today we have to discuss about the atmosphere. What do you mean by atmosphere? Do you have any idea about that atmosphere? No. Yes. The earth, we already discussed that the peoples, the human beings living in the earth. The earth has an invisible layer of air. Earth has an invisible, that means I already told you, we cannot see air, but we can feel air. The earth has an invisible layer of air. It consists gases and dust and tiny drops of water. Okay, it consists, what we had that consists gases, dust and tiny drops of water. We can call this layer of air atmosphere. The earth has an invisible layer of air. The earth has an invisible, at certain places, it has a invisible layer of air surrounding it. It consists gases, dust and tiny drops of water. And we can call this layer atmosphere. The atmosphere make it possible for us to breathe. Then we cannot live here. We cannot live without it. That is called atmosphere. Okay. Then next one we have to discuss the shape of the sun, shape of our earth. I told you now. Last class we already discussed that we are living in a earth. Not only we, the all things that living and non-living things, and especially human beings also living in the earth. What is the shape of our earth? I told you now, earth is a spherical shape. Don't forget, this is a earth is round and spherical shape. Okay, then today next one more, the spherical shape is okay. Then next one, globe and map. What do you mean by globe? Did you see globe? In last class I already shown that globe is here. What is this? What is the shape of this? A round shape is here. What do we can call this? A globe. What is a globe? Globe is a model or true representation of our earth. Okay, I told you earth is a round shape, is a spherical shape, is there a globe also, model of earth or a true representation of earth. Like earth, globe also too round. It shows, what shows a globe shows the feature, all major parts of features of the earth, like continent, continent and oceans and countries also in that. That is called what we can call this globe. The next one, map. What we can, what is a map? Continents and countries and oceans we can see in our in this globe. And next one is a map. What do we can map? Map is a drawing of the earth. Map is a drawing of the earth or parts of the earth in a flat surfaces. It also shows the features of the earth in a great details than a globe does. Is a map. In that map we can this is a map. It's a Asia's map is here. In that map we can see the parts of the earth and great details than a globe does. That globe only some small area only we have to see, but this map we can see that earth in that details of earth more areas. Okay, that is a map. Okay, then what is a atlas? Did you see atlas? Okay, atlas is a book. Is called atlas is a book that including that all map, including that map is called atlas. We discussed a globe, a map. Map is a drawing of earth and parts of the earth on a flat surfaces. It shows the features of earth in great details than a globe does. Then next one, atlas. See, look at this atlas. Atlas we can see that more details about that, more that details about earth we can see that we can call the atlas. Okay, then next we have to discuss about directions. Okay, what do you mean by directions? Do you know any idea about that directions? Have you heard about that directions? No. Okay, see, I already in first chapters I told you not our earth has 4 directions are there. Which are the 4 directions is there? The sun rises in the east. Sun, their earth has 4 directions, sir. 4 directions. Okay, see this directions and sun is always staying as same place is there. Sun is always staying same place is there, but sun rises one side is there, that is upside east. Sun sets in the west. Then and east, west, north and south. Okay, there are 4 sides on our earth. Our earth is divided in 4 areas there. First this areas what we have to call earth. And first area is what we call east and west and north and south. Okay, east, west and north and south. Okay, there are 4 areas in our earth is there. Okay, then which side sun rises in which side? East. That means sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. Then while we are standing and facing in towards the sunrise, while we are standing like that, just imagine that while we are standing and facing towards the sunrise, our front side is east, back side is west. Then our left hand lies towards the north, right hand lies towards the south. There are 4 sides directions in our directions means we use direction to find places in our places in the earth. Okay, there are 4 directions: east, west, north, south. Okay, I am going to conclude it, recall it that which are the points we discussed. Atmosphere. First one, atmosphere. Atmosphere. The earth has an invisible layer of air. It consists gases, dust and tiny drops of water. And we call this layer of air atmosphere. Atmosphere make it possible for us to breathe. We cannot live without it. And next we discussed about the globe. What is the globe? The earth is huge. To be able to study the earth and its features more easily, we can use globe. Okay, then what is the other point? Globe is a model or true representation of earth. Like earth, globe also too round. It shows the major parts of the major features of the earth, like continent, oceans and countries. Then next topic we discuss about the map. What in by map? Map is a drawing of earth or parts of earth in a flat surfaces. It also shows the features of earth in a features of earth in a great details than a globe does. Globe only small area only we get there, but in map we will get that more details than a globe does. Then next 4 directions we discussed. The earth has 4 directions. Sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. While we are standing towards the sunrise, our front side is east and back side is west we consider, and left hand lies towards north, right hand lies towards south. These are the points we discussed today, and today itself we have to read the page number and 3 and 4 more than 3 times. Then you can understand this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.